Hey everyone, and welcome back to Speak with Joey and Phoebe, your English speaking podcast.
This is day 5 of your 30-day English speaking challenge.
And today we are talking about something everyone loves, the weekend.
Saturday and Sunday, the best 2 days of the week.
Every Monday, someone asks, "How was your weekend?" At school, at work, with friends. It is one of the most common questions in English.
And most people answer with, "It was fine." And then silence.
But after today, you will have much more to say. Quick reminder, if you are new here, hit subscribe and like this video. It helps more English learners find us.
Okay, Phoebe, I want to go first today. I had an amazing weekend.
Amazing? That sounds exciting. Tell me about it. What did you do?
Well, let me start with Saturday. I slept until 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock? Joey, that is not morning. That is almost afternoon.
It was still morning, barely, but I needed it. The whole week was so busy at school, so many classes. I was exhausted by Friday night.
I understand that feeling. Teaching is tiring. So you woke up at 11. Then what?
I went to the kitchen. I made a huge breakfast. Eggs, toast, and 2 cups of coffee.
2 cups of coffee?
I needed them, Phoebe. After breakfast, I sat on the sofa and watched a basketball game on TV. My favorite team was playing.
Oh, nice. Did they win?
They lost. I was upset for about 5 minutes, and then I got hungry again.
5 minutes of sadness and then straight to food. That is very Joey.
Food makes everything better. So around 2 o'clock, my friend Alex called me. He said, "Do you want to grab lunch?"
Grab lunch. That is a nice phrase. It is a casual and friendly way to ask someone to go eat together.
Yes. Do you want to grab lunch? Do you want to grab coffee? You hear it all the time between friends.
So Alex called and you said yes.
Immediately. No thinking. We went to a burger place near my house.
What kind of burger place is it? Is it fancy or casual?
Very casual. Small place. Maybe 10 tables. But the food is amazing. Their burgers are huge, and the fries are always hot and crispy.
How did you find this place?
Alex took me there for the first time about a year ago, and now it is our regular spot. We go there almost every weekend.
A regular spot. That means a place you go to often, a place you keep coming back to.
Exactly. Everyone needs a regular spot. A coffee shop, a restaurant, a park bench, somewhere that feels familiar.
I agree. My regular spot is a small coffee shop near my university. I go there almost every week.
See, everyone has one. So we got to the restaurant. I ordered a big cheeseburger with extra fries. Alex ordered fish and chips.
What did you talk about?
Everything. His new job, a movie we both want to see, some funny stories from the week. We laughed a lot. We stayed at the restaurant for almost 2 hours.
2 hours for lunch. That sounds really nice, actually. I love long lunches like that. No rush, just good food and good conversation.
It was great. After lunch, I went home. I was full and happy, so I took a nap on the sofa.
A nap after a big lunch. Some things never change.
I woke up around 5. Then in the evening, I tried something new. I cooked dinner, but not pasta this time.
Not pasta? What did you make?
I made rice with chicken. I found a recipe on my phone. It looked easy.
And how did it turn out?
The rice was good. The chicken was a little burnt.
A little burnt?
Okay, very burnt. But I ate it anyway. I was proud of myself for trying.
That is actually great, Joey. Trying something new is how you get better. At cooking and at English.
Next time, I will set a timer.
Good idea. What about Sunday?
Sunday was completely different. I actually left the house early.
Early? You?
I know. I surprised myself. I went to the park at 9 o'clock. I played basketball with some friends for about an hour.
Did you win?
We played 3 games. I won 2.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. After basketball, I walked around the park for a bit. It was sunny and warm, a perfect morning. Then I went home. I took a shower. I ate some leftover rice for lunch.
The rice from Saturday?
Yes, it was actually better the next day. And then I did absolutely nothing for the rest of the afternoon.
Nothing at all?
I watched a movie, I ate some snacks. Then in the evening, I called my sister Emma.
How is she doing?
She is doing well. She told me she is learning to cook now.
Really? Your sister is cooking?
Yes, she made spaghetti for the first time last week. She sent me a photo.
How did it look?
Honestly, it looked better than my burnt chicken.
That is not a high bar, Joey.
I know, but I was proud of her. I told her, keep going. Cooking is like English. It gets easier the more you practice.
That is actually really good advice. And then?
After the call, I went to bed early because Monday was coming.
Monday was coming. You say that like it is a scary movie.
It is, Phoebe. It is. Okay, your turn. How was your weekend?
My weekend was very different from yours. No sleeping until 11, no burnt chicken.
Okay. Tell me about your Saturday.
So on Saturday morning, I woke up at 7:30.
7:30 on a Saturday. I will never understand that.
I like early mornings, even on weekends. The house is quiet, nobody is sending messages. It is just me and my coffee and my book. I sat by the window and read for about an hour. It was my favorite part of the whole weekend.
I have to admit, that does sound peaceful.
It was. After reading, I cleaned my apartment. I washed the dishes from Friday night. I organized my desk. I did my laundry.
You did laundry on Saturday morning?
I like to get it done early. Then the rest of the weekend feels free. If I leave everything for Sunday night, I feel stressed.
I usually leave everything for Sunday night.
I know, Joey, I know. So after cleaning, I went to the supermarket. I bought groceries for the week, vegetables, fruit, eggs, bread, the basics.
Did you make a list?
Of course I made a list. In the afternoon, my friend Sarah came over.
Came over. That means she visited you at home, right?
Yes. When you say, my friend came over, it means they visited your home. My brother came over for lunch. My neighbor came over for coffee. Very common in English.
So Sarah came over. What did you guys do?
We cooked lunch together. We made a big salad and some grilled chicken.
That sounds much healthier than my cheeseburger.
It was delicious. We ate and talked for a long time. She told me about a trip she is planning to Mexico. We looked at photos on her phone and talked about the different cities she wants to visit.
That sounds great. Are you going with her?
Maybe. She invited me, but I am not sure yet. It would be fun to travel together.
You should go. You deserve a holiday, Phoebe.
Thank you, Joey. Maybe. So Saturday evening, we watched a movie at my place. A romantic comedy. We made popcorn and hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate and popcorn. That is an interesting combination.
It works, trust me. After the movie, Sarah went home. I read a few more pages of my book and went to bed.
What about Sunday?
Sunday was even quieter. I woke up early again. I made breakfast. Then I spent the morning doing meal prep.
Meal prep. Phoebe explained this on day 2. It means you cook food in advance for the week, right?
Exactly. I cooked rice, grilled some chicken, and cut vegetables. Then I put everything in containers. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, lunch is already ready. I just take it to school.
I really need to try that. It would save me a lot of money.
It saves money and time. After meal prep, I called my brother Sam. We talked for about 30 minutes. He told me about his new job. He sounds really happy. He is working at a small company now, and he loves his team.
That is great. You two are really close.
We are. Even though he lives in a different city now, we try to call every weekend. In the afternoon, I went for a long walk in the park. The weather was beautiful. I listened to a podcast while I walked.
An English podcast?
What else?
And the evening?
In the evening, I stayed home. I made some tea. I sat on the sofa and watched a documentary about travel.
What kind of travel?
It was about a woman who traveled through South America by herself. She visited 5 countries in 3 months.
Wow, that is brave. Would you ever do something like that?
Maybe one day. Right now, I am happy with my weekends here, but I like watching other people's adventures. It gives me ideas for the future.
I would love to travel too, but first, I need to learn how to cook without burning everything.
One step at a time, Joey. After the documentary, I wrote in my notebook for a few minutes. Just some thoughts about the weekend. What I did, what I enjoyed, what I want to do next weekend.
You write about your weekends?
Sometimes. It helps me remember the good moments. And it is also good English practice. Even writing 2 or 3 sentences helps.
That is a good tip for everyone listening too. Then I prepared my clothes for Monday, I checked my bag, I set my alarm, and I went to bed. So, Phoebe, what are you doing next weekend?
I am not sure yet. Maybe I will try a new recipe. Sarah told me about a pasta dish she wants to make together.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
Alex and I are talking about going to a new restaurant that just opened. It has Korean food. I have never tried Korean food before.
Oh, that is exciting. Something new for Joey.
I know. I hope they do not make everything spicy.
I'm sure they have options for you. So we had very different weekends. You slept until 11. I woke up at 7:30. You went out for burgers. I cooked at home. You did nothing on Sunday afternoon. I did meal prep for the whole week.
But we both had a great weekend. And that is the thing. There is no right way to spend a weekend. Some are busy and social. Some are quiet and calm. Both are good.
And both are easy to talk about in English. You just say what you did, where you went, who you spent time with, and how you felt.
And did everyone notice something different about our conversation today?
In our other episodes, we talked about things we usually do. We used present tenses. Today, we talked about last weekend, things that already happened.
Right. I did not say I go to the park. I said I went to the park because it already happened.
And I did not say I cook lunch. I said I cooked lunch. Some words just add ed at the end. Cooked, watched, cleaned, called, walked.
But some words change completely. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. Make becomes made. Sleep becomes slept.
You do not need to memorize them all today. Just listen to how we use them. Your ear will start recognizing the patterns.
Now it's time to practice. Phoebe and I will say some phrases. Try them with us.
Here we go.
I had a great weekend.
On Saturday, I slept late and made a big breakfast.
I went to the supermarket and bought groceries.
My friend called me and we went to a restaurant.
My friend came over and we watched a movie.
On Sunday, I played basketball in the park.
I called my brother and we talked for a long time.
Good. Now think about your last weekend. Pick one thing you did and say it in English.
Okay, everyone, your challenge for today.
Go to the comments and tell us one thing you did last weekend.
For example, I went to the park with my friend. Or, I watched a movie and cooked dinner.
Try to use past tense. Went, ate, made, watched, cooked.
We read every single comment.
And Joey still picks his favorite every week.
I take this responsibility very seriously.
That is day 5 of your 30-day English speaking challenge. Today we talked about our weekends, and we started using past tense for the first time in this series.
Now think about your last weekend. What did you do on Saturday? What did you do on Sunday? Try one sentence, even in your head.
And come back on Saturday for day 6. We have another great topic waiting for you.
Do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss it.
Thank you for being here with us today. We appreciate every single one of you.
See you on day 6. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.